Hello there. You are listening to episode 15 of the 111 Tips for Learning a Language. In this episode, I am going to ask you to join a community of language learners. It can be an online or face-to-face community where you meet up to talk about learning. When you join a community, you will be able to exchange tips on learning. Students and teachers would recommend learning materials to you. You can also find a language partner or teacher to practice speaking the language you want to learn. Or, if you are rather shy and prefer to just write to someone, you can get a pen pal who is fluent in the language you are learning. At the same time, you can write to him or her in your native language. Learning speeds up when you have a social network of learners who are in the same boat as you are. In a community, learners can share interesting tidbits about learning as well as their own culture. I'll leave you to it now, and I wish you inspired learning. Stay in touch as you make your daily progress. You'll hear from me in our next episode.